Yo, what's up, y'all? I'm back on the four-wheeler. It feels good. I done went to some FFA event at my school, and I got on one of them slip and slides, and I might have Ebola, but we're gonna get through it, man. We're going to the creek to wash off, and then I'm taking me a bath. I don't even need no bubbles because it's on like a slip and slide kickball. I'm gonna get in that tub and it's gonna make bubbles. I feel clean and kind of dirty at the same time. It's the weirdest feeling of my life. It still got water in it. If it don't, I'm gonna low-key be kind of high-key sad. I done got something in my eye. I want to give a shout out to my sponsor, Statesboro Power Sports. I'll probably go up there and record a video next week after my hair appointment. If my hair don't smell bad, because I gotta get another one of them little curly things, and they always make my hair smell bad. And I gotta redo my lines. I might do them in the bathroom tonight. I don't know. I'm gonna try and cut my own hair. I'm a jack of all trades, so I'll probably be able to. Because my lines are starting to fade. I might get a star. I don't know. I feel like a star would be cool. Like for real. A star probably would be fire. Y'all let me know if y'all think I should try and get a star or stick with the lines. I used to not have lines or a star when I was a screw-up, but now I'm too far. I've been yelling at that FFA event like for 3 hours now, so I'm like lost my voice a little bit. You can't tell, it's all gravelly. Sound like them people in them ads that warn you about cigarettes. That's why you don't do them, or you'll sound like this all the time. And your throat will hurt. And it's got a little bit of water. Roll down the hill. Put that joker in reverse. Oh, look at the turtle. I think that turtle lives down here. Is that the limb I move? Oh no, that's just a new one. Never mind. Put it in reverse real quick. Boom, boom. Oh. Oh. I hope I don't roll trying to get in this rut. Alright, there's the rut. Oh, I got sand in my shoes now. Alright, we're gonna go forward. Hopefully this thing don't die out on me. Oh, them tires spinning a little bit. My fault, y'all. I'm trying to drive while I got a Mountain Dew. I'll go back and do a little water wheelie. Not too big a one, because I don't feel the most stable with this Mountain Dew. How far back is it gonna let me go today? I think that's it. We had a little one going. that's full scented, that one. Man, I gotta do Spanish homework, bro. I'm gonna fail Spanish probably. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I got like a 78, and school just started. I ain't good at memorizing all them words. I'm doing good to know my name. Sometimes they gotta remind me. And I got a test tomorrow and a quiz in there. Wow, wow, wow. Man, I'm just ready for my birthday, to be honest. I want to get my learner. No, 3. Look at that one. He's clueless. He doesn't stand there. If it was Deuce's and I busted him. Oh, look at the bird. Another bird. Bang. Oh, that field done got washed out. Bang, bang. Dove season comes this soon. Bop. That's ain't even doves. Them little birds. I ain't seen a dove. Well, actually, yeah, I did. There's one. I saw 2 of them back there. It's already kind of hot. Six, 7, 8, 9. That's 9 of them. I counted every single one. Well, y'all, peace out. I'll see y'all in the next video. If you enjoyed, leave a like and subscribe. Thank y'all for 17K. It means a lot, and all the support from my cousin and all that. I appreciate all of it. If you enjoyed, leave a like and sub. Peace.